Hola, mijo. So today we're going to be cooking pasta with tomatoes and garlic and chilies. So, step one is to boil water and put salt in it. So, you fill a pot full of water, the stove on, and you put about that amount of salt in it. Maybe, just a... And then, put the lid on it. Is it going?
Yeah.
Because it goes faster. Step two. Get another pan and put some nice amount of olive oil in it. Wow. Okay, then turn the pan on. Wait, no, wrong one. This one. Okay. And then let it heat up for a little bit. Okay. Now let's go over the rest of the ingredients. We need garlic, chili flakes, Solis or any other kind of tomato sauce, optional. A pasta of your liking, preferably long. And cherry tomatoes. Next step. A knife. Open the cherry tomatoes. Take out as many as you like. You don't need to wash them. Oh, you can wash them, but you don't have to. Remember, these are going to be cooked, so they're going to disintegrate. So put in more than you think you need.
This also really hurts my arm.
Need stronger muscles. This is a recipe for 2 people.
2 people!
Right, now, remember, you can just multiply the amount of things you're putting in to make it for more people. Excellent. So, now that your oil is up to temperature, take your tomatoes that you haven't done anything to, and
You're not gonna cut them?
put them in the pan. They explode anyways. Okay. Maybe we should put some more. They're gonna explode. So this is a bit the part that is, you just learn this chef's touch, you know what I mean? Just willy-nilly. Okay. So then put about this amount right here. And then wait. So now your tomatoes should be cooking, and you just stir them around in the oil a bit. They're like frying. You can turn it down a little bit to like a medium heat and just let them fry away. Okay, now let's do the garlic bit. Come. So, this is a head of garlic. You take the garlic, and for this one, we're gonna use about 1 garlic. Okay, 1 tooth or whatever it's called, the garlic. So, the way to do it is, sorry, you see this, there's like the root bit, you chop that bit off, like that, okay? And then, you give it a light whack, and then, you can peel it very easily, like that, okay? And then, if you have a garlic press, you just do that, and then you can squeeze the garlic. If not, you have to chop it up very lightly. So now we come back here, and we give it a bit more of a stir. Okay.
So this medium heat?
This is still medium heat. And so basically all you have to do is wait for them to like disintegrate a little bit, okay? Once your tomatoes look a bit like this, when they look a bit cooked and bruised and soft, right? If it's looking a bit dry, you just give it a bit more oil. It's good to have a good amount of oil because that's what's going to make a part of your sauce, right? And then, once they're a bit like that, you can turn the heat down. Your pasta water should be boiling. I don't know what the Americans do, but it's 125 grams per person, right? So this is a 500 gram box of pasta. 2 people means half of the box. And then, like that.
Wow.
And a little more for sugar and spice.
And we recommend with this pasta using spaghetti, not
Yeah,
thin.
long pasta. Okay,
Long.
so you see how these tomatoes are kind of like, if you poke them a bit, they're kind of exploding themselves, and how they're making this like sauce. So you can stab them a bit, right? And then they'll kind of crush up, and then, and then at the same time just keep cooking. See how the tomatoes are releasing their juices? You can turn it down a bit at this point, right? So it's lower, so it's not sizzling that hard. Turn it down to a low heat. Pasta's boiling. And at this point, right, when their tomatoes are kind of crushed by themselves, okay, what you can do is you take your garlic in your garlic press, or the one that you cut yourself.
Smoky.
And you put the garlic in.
Oopsies.
Okay? Garlic is in. Are you videoing this?
Yeah.
Then you take your chili flakes, okay? And then depending on how much spice you want, you put a good amount in.
Ow.
You watch out for this pasta. You look like amateurs. Just let this on a low heat so that you don't burn the garlic. Make sure the garlic doesn't go brown, okay? Just let the oil absorb the chili and the garlic, okay? And then this, best way to test pasta. Ouch. You take one.
I just thought it was throwing it on.
And try it.
And
No.
no.
No throwing
I
it on
recommend
things.
throwing it against a wall.
No
and if it
breaking
sticks,
stuff.
There you go.
Just put it in your mouth and eat it.
Ow.
And remember, cook your pasta al dente. Don't cook it to mush. So a little bit chewy. Okay? You see how this is now, the garlic is infusing the oil, and how we have a sauce already made. Okay.
Not a lot of sauce.
You'll see, a little goes a long way. And it's a very light dish. Very, very flavorful and very quick. Okay? So, this pasta cooks very quickly. We're going to double check again. You can also set a timer, but
That's for amateurs.
we're professionals. Okay, so basically...
Letty spills.
Yeah, well, we're in the kitchen here, lady. Okay, so, as this pasta, okay, you don't need to drain this pasta. Very nice. You're going to take the pasta and put it straight...
Wait, did we explain how you boil pasta? Yeah, we
Yeah,
just
I think you know how to make pasta. At least I hope you know how to make pasta. Test again.
Oh.
And we're back.
Can't lose your...
Get in here. Okay, and then you just take the pasta straight from the thing
Wait, what?
with some pasta water. Because that's what's going to help you get a thicker sauce too. Put it on here.
I did not know that.
Yeah, the starch, let me explain a little bit of science. The starch from the pasta water, okay, it's going to help you when you make carbonara. It's going to help you when you make any pasta, okay? A little bit of sauce, the little bit of pasta water makes it thicken the sauce. Okay, so we fished out all our pasta. Don't throw this away yet. And now, stir.
Wow, get all that smell in there.
So, now that you mix everything together, right? Even though it looks like there's not a lot of sauce, right? The oil has the flavor, and you have the tomatoes, and you just mix it together, and it creates this nice sauce. Okay. If you feel like it's a bit dry, or you want it more tomatoey, or then you can put a little bit of oil, like that, and then a little bit of salt, season, right? Because we haven't seasoned yet. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. But don't put too much because you already put chili, so it's a bit spicy from that. Alright, and then you just make sure you stir everything in.
Ow. I also recommend putting pesto sauce that you can either make or buy pre-made, and
Right.
it tastes
And now,
very nice.
the final step, if you're still feeling it's a little bit dry and you want it a little bit more tomatoey, what you do is you take one of these and you you put a little bit of Solis or whatever you guys have over there, right? You mix it in and it gives it a little bit more of a sauce if you like it more saucy. Okay? Oh, for the final plating, right?
Okay.
You get a nice plate.
Yeah.
Oh, well, that was not a nice plate.
Whoopsies!
You take your pasta. Oh, and you can also add pasta water if you want to loosen it up a bit. Okay? Take your pasta, let everything fall off. If you want to be fancy schmancy, okay? You turn the plate and you make a little nest. Perfect. Wipe that one off. No one saw that? Now, the final, just to finish it off. Wait, first, sorry, actually, I forgot. Then you take
some
a little tomato. And you put the tomato on top, like that. Very beautiful. And then, to finish it off, make sure you buy... Focus, hello. The Parmigiano Reggiano. It's got to be Parmigiano Reggiano, not Parmesan, not la la la. Parmigiano Reggiano, okay? You take that, then, watch out. You got a little bit of a cheese grater here. This, a bit of a...
Wow.
And voila. Pasta alla tomatina e garlico e chili e peperoncino. Oh, esquisito.
Delizioso. Now for the testing.
Okay, la camisa. And obviously, as you're doing your cooking show, your madre is gonna FaceTime you. No, no me gusta. Sí, adios.
Now it's always good to get a fat piece.
It's a little bit of that.
Wow.
Why am I cooking so good?
That was actually fire. Mmm.
All right.
Well,
that's it from us today. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, 10 out of 10, and we'll see you next time where we'll be making